Why do I feel like this is gonna be an emotional song already? Hey guys, it's Sam here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have day 6, but it's the subunit even of day. Thank you guys so much for helping me out in those comments on Sweet Chaos, and just letting and Time of Our Life as well, and letting me know what EOD stood for, because I had no idea. Y'all were all of the my days. Definitely came through for me on that one. My eye is twitching. I don't know why. So I don't know if y'all could see that or not, but I definitely felt it. So thank y'all so much for coming through and letting me know. We just watched Zombie, which is technically the last MV of the guys as a whole. After this, we'll go back and watch the Japanese MVs after this one. But this was at the end of the playlist for their vids. I know it's the subunit. Y'all have let me know that it's animated and they have animal characters. Y'all let me know who is who on those animal characters as well. And we also know that this, or I at least also know that this is only going to be Young K, Dowoon, and Wampil. I don't know if Dowoon sings. I don't know if y'all mentioned that or not. I know y'all said he was singing a lot in the concert, but I don't know if he sings on this or not. But let's see what we get. And Where the Sea Sleeps. Let's hop into it. Okay, so this is obviously now I don't know if Young K is going to play guitar here or if he's just going to play bass, because we haven't gotten anything, and right now it's just synth and drum. And if he just plays bass, I'm very curious to see how this goes, because then obviously it's all on Wampil and his keyboards and synth to carry kind of the melody more than anything else. And I'm curious to see how how Young K would fit into that with his bass, if he's only playing bass or if he switches over to guitar or not. So, I mean, y'all already know, obviously, but I don't yet. I mean, because this could kind of be guitar or bass, honestly. This. Oh, so let me go back here. So this is Young K. The dog is Dowoon, and the fox is Wampil, right? If I remember correctly. Why do I feel like this is gonna be an emotional song already? I don't really like where this is going for me right now, but I do at the same time. Even in the darkest hours, hold on to my hand. Oh God, here we go. Okay, so they're fixing their shit. Once it passes the warmth will meet. Okay, we fixed it. Oof. God damn, Young K. Jeez, these vocals. Ooh, goosebumps, man. That's a that's some good harmony right there, man. Woo, that's some good harmony. Why do I feel like this is gonna get bad though? This is beautiful right here. Woo. Don't leave me until this one. No one's sleeping. Don't know. I think I know where this is going already. Holy shit. And I'm getting emotional. Are they looking for Bob and Jay? says no signal. Oh, and that's Bob and Jay right there is a little. I want to be with you. To a place where the sea sleeps. Damn, One Pill. These vocals, holy shit, man. Fight to the storm with me. Okay, now is this about Jay and Bob? Like, why does DAY6 do this to me, man? I'm not even halfway through the song. Will be absolutely perfect, man. Beautiful way with words. Oh no. No. Dude. He's holding on to Jay and Bob. Come on, man. He's grabbing the compass. He's still holding them, man. I don't have words. Oh shit, that was really good. I really like this. Words not working. This right here. That's really cool. Fuck it. These vocals. Is he dreaming? Is he dreaming right now that they're all together? Like. Why are they so fucking good? Dude. Man, like. I know I got. The closest thing I got to warning was I'm ready for you to see. I don't know that anybody said it was like really emotional. I don't remember because it was a couple days ago, obviously. But dude, DAY6, man, these harmonies. Let me fucking dot real quick to these harmonies again. Be blessed. God. Oh my God, dude. And they're just gonna continue their search, right? Like that's what it is. Like, hey, we're still good. But what happened to Bob and Jay? Like he lost them, right? Like what happened? Jesus. Whew. They did it again. That made me cry. and I'm okay with that, obviously. This, oh man, what an absolutely beautiful song. This one hits a little different than I'll Try. Still very, very, I mean, incredibly powerful, obviously, as I'm still kind of choked up. But woo. I see my boy Josh react to this one. I guess I didn't see that he did that. Kind of glad I missed that one because I would have been spoiled on it. But man, this song. Let me know how right or wrong I was on I guess I'll say the visual cues throughout this MV. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say, guys. I'm sorry. I'm kind of lost at the moment. But thanks for sticking around to the end of this one, guys. Cheers to y'all, and we'll see y'all in the next one.